Hi students, so welcome to new video. So in this video, we are going to see one of the most frequently asked questions in most of the competitive examinations. That is, the question is, the sum of three consecutive even numbers is 36. Find the numbers. So before solving this question, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel for daily competitive examination videos and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any videos whenever we upload new videos. So let us begin the solution for this question. So they are saying there are three consecutive even numbers and their sum is 36. So in order to find the solution, let us assume the first number as x. We don't know the number, right? So I am assuming the first number as x and the second number will be, I'll take it as x plus 2 because that will be the consecutive number, right? And the third number I'll take it as x plus 4, that is the third even number. So let us take the first number as x, second number as x plus 2 and the third number as x plus 4. These are the three consecutive numbers and they are saying the sum will be 36, right? So let us add these three numbers, that is x plus 2 plus x plus 4, which is equal to 36, right? So this x and this x and this x, it will become 3x plus this 2 and this 4 will become 6, which is equal to 36. Okay, so I'll just scroll a little bit here. Now you can see this is 6, I'll send right hand side. This is 6, I'll send right hand side, so it will become minus. So 3x, which is equal to 36 minus 6, which is equal to 30, right? Now I will send this 3 also on the right hand side so that it will become a x. Left hand side I left with x only, right? So x is equal to 30 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 tens are 30. So x value is 10. So we know the value of x. So the three consecutive numbers what we have assumed earlier is x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. So in the same way, the answer will be x means 10, x plus 2 means that is 12, that is 14. So sum of these numbers is 36, right? So the three consecutive numbers are 10, 12 and 14. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Hype this video. There is a new feature called hype in the YouTube. You can hype this video if you really like this one and share this with your friends and challenge them to solve this video and subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Thanks for watching.